Charlie, I heard you're a Litecoin hater. No, I kind of like it. Charlie, you got all of your Litecoin out of the way so you could buy Verge and Tron. Is this correct? Actually, yes. I was only in Litecoin for the sweet shirts that they give me. I don't know if you've seen, even this one is so great. That shirt is so punny. Well, I thought this one would be good because after I sold all my Litecoin, a lot of people were getting drunk and becoming alcoholics. Pure genius. The question everyone wants to know is, are you Satoshi? Yes. Satoshi Sakamoto. Yes. I actually coded Bitcoin from the first day it was invented. I actually did it on Nintendo. People don't actually know that. I created it actually in the middle of a game of Mario Brothers, believe it or not. Well, it's so nice to meet you. Do you want to play a game of World of Warcraft? That's a little forward. How about a game of Magic the Gathering? Yeah, I tell you what, Vitalik, it's really interesting looking at you in person. You're an interesting specimen. Tell us about that. I mean, really, that t-shirt can't even make you look weirder than you already look. People do like it. People don't realize I'm not an empty shell of a human. I have feelings, I have thoughts. I have so many things that run through my head. Sometimes I do get my circuits crossed and my creators must reprogram me. But here I am for you wearing this rainbow shirt. I hope that you like it. It's a really nice shirt. So I found out I was really good at chess, and then I left the team. I had to leave. I left them at the state championship. Then later on, I actually started my first company, and I left it too. So, and then my wife, I left her too. Sorry. I mean, you have to realize at this time of your life that everyone hates you. You literally have no one in the world that thinks you're a good person. One question back to you, which is, how much money do you make? Because that's basically all I need to know. If you're not a billionaire, a self-made billionaire like me, and if you can't do jiu-jitsu, then bro, come at me. If you want to come at me, seriously, I will grab you by the cojones and throw you down. There's no question about it. I am the B-Cash and you are the B-Trash. I will rip your bones apart. And if you don't like it, I will flick you off. I will quit this interview and I will get up and I will leave right now because I'm a rage quitter. Okay. Who in here? Who in here thinks that they are smarter than me? That's a serious question. I would like to know. I know that actually no one in all of cryptocurrency has the knowledge and the skills that I have. And I can outtalk anyone and make myself sound smart. And now please go buy my book.